I'm David Packouz. The movie War Dogs was based on my life story, and these are the most Googled questions about government contracting. How much money can you make with government contracting? Well, the sky's the limit. The government spends almost $7 trillion every year. So you could make millions, even billions of dollars in the long term with government contracting. But as a brand new beginner, you can win a $250,000 contract without any experience. So you can make reasonably $50,000 on your first contract. In fact, one of our students at War Dogs Academy, Sylvia, she won a $188,000 contract with a 10% profit margin for her first contract. Is it easy to get started in government contracting? Well, it's a lot easier if you have people showing you how it's done. It's pretty difficult to teach yourself because it can be pretty technical, but with War Dogs Academy, you get step-by-step instruction as well as contracting experts to help you along every step of the way. Do I have to have experience from the military, guns, weapons, or ammo to do government contracting? No, you do not. I did not have any experience with guns before I became one of the most famous international arms dealers in history. And military equipment is just a small part of what the government buys. They don't just buy guns and ammunition. They buy boots and food and cars and fuel and entertainment services and laundry services and janitorial services. They buy literally everything because the United States government has millions of people on their payroll that they need to support all over the world. How long does it take until I start making money with government contracting? So it's reasonable to expect to start making money within the first 3 months. It usually takes about a month to learn the system and set up your company, and then about another month to bid on a few contracts and get awarded, and another month to get paid. So 3 months is a reasonable time frame. Now keep in mind, government contracting takes a lot of work and a lot of dedication. So it's not going to be a get-rich-quick scheme. And you can lose a whole bunch before you win, so it takes a lot of perseverance. But it's a lot easier when you have a community who you see their successes and you have experts to help you along the way. And that's why we built War Dogs Academy. If you're interested in leveling up with government contracting, come join us at War Dogs Academy. And that was the most Googled questions about government contracting. Do you have another question about government contracting? Put it in the comments below. See you next time.